Hello YouTube people. This is Music Therapy Laz having beer at my brother John's house because we're going to be doing some udon noodle dinner stir fry with my awesome niece Becca. There's Minnie. How you doing, Minnie girl? Where's Sappy? There's Sapphire. Sapphire's the coolest dog. So this is one of my VEDA vlogs for the 14th of August. So video, or vlog, sorry. Vlog every day in August. And I can't do a musical vlog today because I've been too busy. I have to go to the doctor's office. Bottom line is I'm doing a food vlog. Let me show my face. So I'm doing a food vlog today where we're going to be stir frying with my awesome niece Becca, who does not like to be on camera, and that's perfectly understandable. I respect that. So this is very short VEDA, and I do have plans. I've been doing some prep work on some other videos, and so I'm going to start doing some of my pedals, as well as showing the studio room how it's coming along now, another day later. I'm going to be doing some pedals. I thought it would be fun to go through each one of the ones that I own and how I went about owning them, because they all have kind of an interesting story, believe it or not. And then do the same thing with my guitars, and then in between do the mom and pop music store one. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow, and then do some other videos like each one of my guitars, and I might have said that already, and the keyboard that I have, the Juno DS keyboard, which is an awesome keyboard. And then also to do a few other things like the Soundtrap design guitar hangers, how to DIY, make one yourself, and then actually make one so you guys could see how that's done. And then go from there, do some more original music stuff as well. I want to put some original music up that I've written, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. So that's it for the 14th of August. VEDA today. It's just a simple food VEDA, and maybe on Instagram I'll throw up some pictures of the finished product. That'll be fun, right, Becca? Yeah. All right.
Why not do a reaction vid after this then?
All right, we'll do a reaction. We'll do a reaction video after this. That's going to be like how the dogs react to the food. They always react the same way, like that. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like my channel, share my channel, and comment on my channel, and then hit that notification bell so I'll get more people watching. Of course, sharing is going to help with that, but notification, you can watch more videos, and help me get to that 100. Word of mouth. Yeah, Becca, why didn't you do it too? Why aren't you liking me on my channel? Anyway,
because I don't.
She doesn't like music. She hates music. It makes her angry. No, I'm kidding.
It's just I keep forgetting. Okay.
I know. Okay. Well, maybe we'll
Plus
do
I'm
it.
busy.
We'll do it together after we eat. So
No promises.
I'm not gonna force family members to check out my channel, though it would be cool. But it'd be nice.
You can't use mind control.
I can't use mind control on you. Okay.
No, force powers don't count.
The force powers, are you like Jabba the Hutt or something? Force powers don't work on you? Alright.
I would
anyway.
That
you drooled just like he did though in the movie just now, which was hilarious. Okay, don't attack me. Don't attack me. No attacking. No attacking. No attacking. No. Oh, the evil hand is coming on. Alright, so we're going to say goodbye. Becca's being silly. And we're gonna cook some awesome stir fry.
I won't get the dog to lick you.
The dogs might lick me, which they do anyway every time I come over.
I'm talking about on your face.
I get licked. Well, you'll have to knock me out for that. And I know that's possible. So let's not go there. So you guys can see that I'm gonna have an awesome time with my niece Becca here. And I'll see you guys next time around. Thanks again for watching these silly videos. Music Therapy Laz out. We're cooking from this book, by the way.
No, it's not.
Magic Meals.
Nope.